Good morning, everyone.
It's so hungry.
Ooh, it's really like you should really get you a copy. I'm using it in a vlog. Hi, everyone. Today is Thursday, and it is about almost 2:30 p.m. right now. So I figured I would. Yes, I'm about to feed my son, James. James, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna feed him real quick for lunch and then I'm gonna head back to work. But I just wanted to pop in real quick and I am just vlogging today. Anyways, I received two packages today. One that I'm going to review. The first one is well, this one I just received today. This is a book by one of my very good sister. When you have someone that whenever
It's so hungry.
Okay, let me give you his food. Hold on a second. Good morning, guys. Let me put you up here. Today is Friday, and I am vlogging this morning. Woke up a little bit late, but it's okay. So yesterday I was trying to talk to you guys about two packages that I got, but I wasn't able to finish that part. So today's a new day. Morning. I'm about to start my work day, but I'm wearing a different shirt, just FYI. I just love gray. Gray is usually my mood, I don't know. In a good way though. So, just quickly to show you what I'm talking about. My son just woke up, so he might pop out right now. You okay? Did you spill milk on yourself? How did you do that? Alright. Anyways, let me quickly show you guys this. So, I got this microphone
Mommy,
to try. I'm gonna be doing a review on this.
take one.
Okay, so put it on the counter, Jamie.
That one?
Yes.
Okay.
I got this microphone that I'm gonna be reviewing later. It's right here. I've been using it for a couple of days now. The other item is this book. I posted this on Instagram already. I'm gonna be reading this. It's by Boomy Ball. I follow her on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I post a lot about so many things. And I posted about this when I received this yesterday evening. It looks like a very quick read. Like, you should really get you a copy of this if you are into poetry. And it's called Paper Heart, written by Boomy Ball, illustrated by Cedra Avsal. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for this and this. I'm going to get him ready for the day. I'm not going to vlog that. So, yeah, before I get my day started today. I'll talk to you guys later. It's time for me to work. Well, for a couple of hours. It's about 10 p.m. I'm gonna work for maybe an hour and a half or maybe two, and then I'll go to bed. It's still Friday. It's been a long day. Alright, well, let's get to work. Good morning, everyone. So today is Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, Jamie.
Oh,
It's eating behind me right there. James is watching Blippi while he's having breakfast. So I'm gonna be making myself a quick waffle, and I just thought let me record it and show you guys how I make a quick waffle for breakfast. James is also having waffles. Let's go make waffles. Okay, so I have my stuff almost ready here. I have my flour or whatever, the waffle mix. I'm using this waffle brand. I usually use I think it's the biscuit one. But they were out of it at Walmart, so I just got this one, and then I'm using this to spray the waffle maker. I'm gonna be getting oil, using my measuring spoon, an egg, 2/3 cups of milk. I'm pretty much just following the directions here, but with a little bit of twist to it. And I'm also gonna be adding nutmeg to my waffle, some cinnamon, and then a little bit of vanilla as well. Okay, I changed my bowl to a much bigger bowl, which is this, I guess, baking bowl or something. So I'm gonna be adding this mix in here. This is half a cup and this 1 cup. That's what the, I guess, recipe calls for. So I'm gonna take some nutmeg and a little bit of nutmeg. A lot of it. I like my nutmeg. I really like the way nutmeg tastes. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of ground cinnamon. Ooh, that's probably really a lot. But that's okay. And then a little bit of vanilla. Here we go. Just a drop of, probably very potent. That's okay. And then my egg. Boom. Right there. More oil. One. Just a little bit. Two. And then I'm going to add my milk and start mixing. Maybe I don't even need that much milk anymore. Because I don't like my waffle to be, I don't know, too thick. Kind of, I like it a little bit fluffy. Almost very close to pancakes, but fluffy. Alright, so this is done and ready to go. Look at this. Ooh, it's really, I like that.
Yummy. Now I'm gonna put some. Now I'm gonna hide it right here. No. Now we're gonna put some ikupupa palm oil to change that color. Yeah, palm oil is good.
Alright, okay, so now I'm going to add a mixture on the waffle maker. Okay. So now I wait for my waffle. Oh, I forgot to mention these. The plates in these things are interchangeable, so you can make you can grill with it. You just change the plate. So it's done now. The green light is on. And there goes my waffle. Look at that. I gotta clean all that up. And all I do is use this, lift it up, boom, and put it up here. Okay, this is done. Woo! Almost burnt it. And this is the, look at that. Perfect. Every corner is completely squared or whatever. It's my perfect waffle. Alright, let me get it out. Oh, yes. That's beautiful. Yeah, but it's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna be having just a couple. I'm not gonna have all of these. I'm gonna wrap these up for tomorrow or later tonight. Depends. Okay, let me get this. Okay. Good. This waffle is pretty good. I like it a lot. And usually I would have it with eggs and bacon and strawberries and bananas, but I don't have the strawberry or the banana. I have the eggs, but I don't feel like making the eggs. And I tend to just not finish the food when I have so much of it like that. So I feel like this I will be able to finish and, you know, I'll be okay. So, and I have a cup of tea here, so it's going to be filling, very filling. Yeah, it's really good. Very, very good. Yeah, and it's soft and fluffy.
It's soft and fluffy?
Yeah, soft and fluffy.
Yes.
You want to try some? There you go.
You see, it has peanut.
You like it? Okay, so I figured let me give this microphone a try because it's a microphone. So I just wanted to kind of do a quick review of it. Just FYI, everything you're hearing is coming from this mic because I'm recording it connected to my computer using the QuickTime Player voice recorder, and I'm on about 5 inches away from the microphone and turned all the way to about not the highest but close to the highest because the gain level is not the it's not all the way to the maximum. And I'm talking at a regular voice. This microphone, I really like it. I feel like it's better than the onboard mic in the camera. I will be leaving a link in the description box below. I believe this was $29 or $27, something like that. So it was sent to me as a gift, and I figured, and then I was asked to make an honest review, and this really is an honest review. Pretty sure you guys can hear the difference as I'm talking. This microphone is called a AUPM. It's the portable USB microphone. Just be aware that the equipment that you have or the gadgets that you have would be compatible with the cords that comes with this microphone. I will show you like a clip of the unboxing just so you guys can see the type of cords that comes with it, and then you check out your device and gadget that you have at home to see if it'll work with it. I have like an extension to connect it with in order for it to work with my laptop. I also want to say this is probably most likely best for those that are podcasting and things like that, and where you're not moving around, or not necessarily for vlogging, but I'm using it in a vlog to talk to you. Definitely for sit down videos. It's not for walking around and running around and all that. So I would recommend it for anyone that is thinking about starting a podcast or doing mostly sit down videos, and they don't mind the microphone in the shot of their video, because this has to be close to your mouth. If I'm sitting back here, way back here, and I'm pretty much farther away now, I'm pretty sure it's picking it up, but it's not as clear as me sitting closer and up front. So this is it at the lowest, not necessarily the lowest, because if it's lowest then it'll be turned off, but this is at very low, close to the lowest, and you could probably hear a slight difference. And then this is at the mid, exactly at the mid gain, and then this will be the high gain. This is the gain that I've been talking to since I started this video. This is the highest. Probably not too much of a difference, but it's quite high, and I had to turn it down a little bit, the gain down, so it's not picking up too much noise. Yeah, so that's kind of what I want to talk to you guys about. I do like this microphone. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.